All right, let's discuss a little bit how a relay system is going to use a pressure switch to control the flow of your pump. This is because the pressure switches often don't have enough ampere capacity to run a pump or two. So the power is going to come in from the breakers. So the breaker attaches on the other end from the battery. So the breaker stops this power to these. This is the power to the two pumps. They join into the sensor wire for the relay. The sensor wire for the relay comes out, joins up, connects to this pressure switch, which controls both pumps, and that goes to the ground junction. So you hook that to the black ground junction. This is normally closed and will open at its preset number 85 or 100 psi. So normally closed, which means that when there's power coming through the relay, power will go out the two blue wires, which turn into red, and these clip to your red wire on your pump. So the existing red wire goes away, and use this. The relay system connects to this side of the breaker, power in from the battery up here. This breaker turns it on to send it to the relay system. Turn it off here, and you're all set to go.